Mr. Punch, you stole my dog.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
Oh, yes, you did, Mr. Punch, and you're not going to get away with it. Toby, run! It's a good thing he's had agility training. All right, Mr. Punch, you are in big trouble now. I'm going to call my brother Johnny, and he will know how to deal with you. All right, where did I put my cell phone? Lobsters and a oyster mizzen for Johnny Leg Pig, first mate of the fiercest pirate vessel to sail the 7 seas.
Well, Johnny, that's a nice earring you got there.
Where do you like it?
I do. That's very nice. How much did it cost you?
It's worth $1 a year.
$1 Oh. Now you say your name is Pegleg.
No, I didn't say pig leg. I said leg pig. The result is an unfortunate woodchop accident.
Oh, I see.
Don't touch the pig. I'm not your puppet.
Well, that must be a big handicap for you.
No, it's no problem at all. It's very useful, actually. Here, hand me that donut over there.
Okay. There you go.
Put it right on there. Put it right on there. We likes the pink ones. And then after we has our little snack, we don't need that now. We does our yoga. That's a good stretch. We call that the Johnny Roger, or even the Jolly Roger pose, depending on our mood. Now then, enough about me. Mr. Punch, you briny-toed barnacle. Me brother Joey tells me you purposely purloined his pooch. What? You stole his dog. What dog? He must be around here somewheres. What we need is a search party. I'll call the cabin boy. Ahoy, Bottles!
Aye, sir.
Come here, my lad.
Aye, sir.
You spidey spittoon. What's wrong with your face, boy?
Aye, sir.
Never mind that. We've got to find that little dog. Now, I want you to go climb up the mast and twinkle your deadlights.
Yeah.
Go on.
I'll go look for him.
Yeah. Are you twinkling there?
I'm just like a star. Just like a star.
Did you find him?
I did.
Oh, well, is he all right then?
Well, just one problem.
What's that?
He shrank.
Oh, well, it's all right. You know, he's been on that South Beach diet. Well, now, you might think this here is an ordinary little dog, but he's not. He's a pirate dog, the fiercest canine to sail the 7 seas. This here is Cap'n Toby Two-Patch.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? I'll prove he's a pirate dog. I'll ask him some questions that only a pirate would know. All right, are you ready, Cap'n Toby? He's ready. There's your first question then, sir. What does we call the front of the boat? That's right, it's the bow. Yes, the captain knows his ship he does. And then, Cap'n Toby, where on the boat is starboard? Where's starboard? Oh, well, actually, it's not to the left. He must have thought I said Starbucks. The captain likes his latte, and he likes it strong. That's the pirate way. Now, Cap'n Toby, which side of the boat is port? Which side of the boat is port? Correct, it's to the left over by the captain's quarters. The captain likes a nice bowl of port at the end of the day. And now, for the final proof of Cap'n Toby's identity, I'll sing the pirate theme song. And if he knows it, he dances. It's a merry little ditty and it goes like this. Whoa, I sings of the life of a pirate. We sail through the rain and the fog. Don't cross us or we'll become irate. And our captain is one salty dog. We sails all the day on the high seas. We dances all night on the deck. We chases the cats and the mices. We're sea dogs, so what do you expect? Well, right then, I believe we proved this here is Cap'n Toby. And as for you, Mr. Punch, you know what you are? What? You are a puppy pilferin' pufferfish. And what does we do with a puppy pilferin' pufferfish? The answer's in the captain's treasure chest. Show him, Cap'n Toby. What does we do? What does we do with a puppy pilferin' pufferfish? That's right. We put them in stocks. Or maybe a nice mutual fund. And then we watch as them squirm. And you know what else you are, Mr. Punch?
What?
You're a canine carpin crabby legs. And what does we do with a canine carpin crabby legs? Show us, Cap'n Toby. That's right. What does we do, Captain? We sends them out whaling. Charges them $68 just to see the whale. And you know what else you are, Mr. Punch? I didn't tell ya. You're an addle-brained abalone. What does we do with an addle-brained abalone? Showing Cap'n Toby. That's right, we throws them in the brig with a big screen TV that only gets one channel. And it plays Fox News all day long. Oh, it's wicked painful. Well, all right then, Mr. Punch, do you admit your scurvy thievery?
Yes, we do. Who stole the puppy with the
I will let that be a lesson to all you jiggling jellyfish out there. Admitting you're a jiggling jellyfish is the first step to getting a spine. Well, all right then, Cap'n Toby, I'll see you back at the boat, and where will you be, sir? You'll be sitting around, that's fine then, all right. I'll see you later.
Oh!